time now to celebrate our African champion.
African champions. African champions. African champions. African champions.
His name is Dr. Thomas Mensah, and he is from Ghana.
You be champion!
Now, Dr. Thomas Mensah is a scientist, an engineer, and an inventor. Now, he is a pioneer in fiber optics manufacturing and communications system. Although the history of fiber optics includes a long list of engineers and inventors making contributions over decades, Dr. Mensah's particular improvement to the process of making fiber optics cables dramatically improved the cost efficiency of production of those cables, cost efficiency of producing those cables, clearing the way for a much greater degree of fiber optics technologies in the world rather. Now, in 1983, Mensah joined Corning Glass Works, where he improved fiber optic speed from 2 meters per second to 20 meters per second. Yeah, that's like the difference 18, pretty huge. And at that time when they actually did it, because he joined the company and there were already scientists and researchers, working on it, it was actually very difficult to even surpass the 2 meters per second mark. But he came in, did a few researches and everything, and guess what? 20 meters per second, and that is huge. And that is he started working in 1983, but actually did this whole thing, completed it by 1985. Now, this made the cost of optical fiber comparable to traditional copper cables. Now, Mensah received the Corning Glass Works Individual Outstanding Contributor Award for this work in 1985. Now, his work ultimately raised speed of manufacture above, guess, 50 meters per second. In 1986, Dr. Mensah joined Georgia's AT&T Bell Laboratories, now known as Bell Lab, where he was able to utilize fiber optics to create a guidance system for missiles that incorporated a small camera which was installed within the missile nose. Okay, so you fire a missile, at the same time you have a camera, showing you clear images of where exactly it's going. Talk about the targets, So the images captured by that camera could be delivered to our pilots, giving them a technique for locking onto a target with an incredible accuracy. Yeah. Now, Dr. Mensah holds more than a dozen patents and was issued 7 patents in fiber optics technologies over the course of 6 years. Great one right there. I mean, he is a Ghanaian who schooled in Ghana, and he's an old student of Adisadel College here in Ghana, specifically in Central Region, Cape Coast. They call themselves the Santa Clausians, yeah. And he was actually inducted. That is, Dr. Thomas Mensah was inducted into the United States National Academy of Inventors in 2015. He became NAI, that's the National Academy of Inventors Fellow in 2014, when his work was recognized and honored during his time at the Florida State University in the U.S. Now, Dr. Mensah is one of the 3 black men among 167 inventors that were recognized by NAI. And there's something that he did that I really like, Having authored a couple of books on fiber optics and semiconductor engineering, Dr. Mensah wrote The Right Stuff Comes in Black, 2, which was published in September in 2013. Now, this book focuses on achievements by African Americans in science, technology, and a variety of other fields, even entertainment. I like that. I mean, aside the fact that he's been celebrated, people talk about him, his achievements, and I mean, groundbreaking in discoveries that he's made. He's also taken the time and effort to also make known or make other scientists, African Americans, to also be, in the limelight. Because a lot of African Americans, people of African descent, are doing incredible things, but we do not know them because they're kind of like stats somewhere and just be there, and it all emanates from all these issues of racism and, you're not good enough to do what and all of that. But kudos, congratulations, and thumbs up to Dr. Thomas Mensah from Ghana. Well, yeah, he also has, he's kind of like also an American, but born here, attended Adisadel and Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So yeah, Dr. Thomas Mensah.
You are an African champion.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share.